Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine B. Kabautan and I will be showing you on how to create virtual machine using Oracle VM Virtualbox and how to create operating system, how to set up LAN connection for the host and virtual machine, how to install a web server, and how to install a computerized system.
Let's start. Open your Oracle VM Virtualbox. Then, click New. Under Name and Operating System, type name that you prefer. Under Type, choose type of operating system that you're going to use. I will be using Microsoft Windows as my operating system. Under Version, we're going to use Windows 7 64-bit, then click Next. Under Memory Size, choose memory size that you prefer, not exceeding to the red line. Let's put 3000 MB, then click Next. Under Hard Disk, choose Create a Virtual Hard Disk Now, then click Create. Under Hard Disk File Type, choose VirtualBox Disk Image, and then click Next. Choose Dynamically Located, then click Next. Under File Location and Size, click Create. Next, we're going to install the operating system of the virtual machine. Click Setting. Under General, you can see the name, type, and version of the operating system that we created a while ago. To install the operating system of the virtual machine, click Storage. Under Storage and Device, click Empty, then Disk, then choose a disk file, then locate the iOS file. Click Open. Then click OK. Start your virtual machine by clicking the Start button, then select Windows 7 as a startup disk, then click Start. Wait for the virtual machine to start up, followed by starting the Windows. It takes a couple of minutes to start the Windows. Startup is starting. Select the operating system that you want to install. Choose Windows 7 Professional, then click Next. Click I accept the license terms, then click Next. Click on Custom Advanced. Where do you want to install Windows? Click Drive option, New, then Apply. Click OK. Choose Disk 0 Partition 2, then click Next. Installing Windows will take you a couple of minutes. Wait until it reaches 100%. We have successfully installed the operating system, which is Windows 7 64-bit using Oracle VM Virtualbox. This is the operating system that we successfully installed using virtual machine. Now, we're going to check for complete drivers. In checking the drivers, click Computer, then System Properties, then click Device Manager. As you can see, we have already downloaded the complete drivers that we need. If there's a missing drivers, you can right-click on driver, then update drivers. You can search automatically for updated driver software or browse my computer for driver software. We are going to establish LAN connection between virtual machine and host machine. To install network connection, click Setting, then Network, and enable network adapter. Attached to bridge adapter, we are going to use wireless connection, so choose on wireless. Then click OK. Start again the virtual machine and wait for the Windows to load up. Go to Start button, type CMD or command prompt. On command prompt, type ipconfig, then click Enter. The IP address of the virtual machine is 192.168.0.107. Now, we are going to check the IP address of the host machine by typing CMD on the Start button. Then type ipconfig. The IP address of the host machine is 192.168.0.106 and the default gateway is 192.168.0.1. We are now going to check the connection between virtual machine and the host machine by typing on the command prompt of the virtual machine ping plus the IP address of the host machine, which is 192.168.0.106, then click Enter. As you can see, there is a connection between the virtual machine and the host machine. Let's try on the host machine if there's also a connection between them by typing on the CMD of the host machine ping plus the IP address of the virtual machine, which is 192.168.0.107. Then click Enter. As you can see, there's also a connection between the host machine and the virtual machine. In installing web server, I will be using some 64-bit operating system because my computer is 64-bit. It refers to your computer. Click on the web server that you're going to install. Wait for it to load, then click OK. Click Next, then Next. Select an empty folder, then Next. Click Next, Next. Wait until the SAMP is installed. It took a couple of minutes. When it's done, click Finish, then choose the USA flag, then Save. The web server is already installed. Now, you can start your web server by clicking the Start action of the Apache and MySQL. To install a computerized system on your web server, open and start your web server, then open Google Chrome. On the search bar, type localhost/phpMyAdmin, then hit Enter. Click on New, then name your database. Go to Import, then choose the file of the ready-made system that you have done. Go to the lowest part and click Go. Now that you have a database, click New tab, then type localhost plus the name of your database.